Hello everybody, it's lovely to have you back. Welcome to Sculpt Happy Studio. I'm so pleased you're here with me. Today we're diving into polymer clay creations, namely my Whispers of Spring bird piece which I've been developing, and also some exciting workshop developments where I'm going to share some of the projects that I've been making and developing that I hope will inspire some of you to come along and learn a few polymer clay techniques and create something beautiful, and even a trip to the Somerset Levels with my son Archie, who is an avid bird photographer. And so we went to Hamwall and Grey Lake together and had a really wonderful day. So let's jump in.
For a second I thought it was you across the room. I was wrong. For a minute I heard the radio a tune. I thought I heard a song. So come on, baby, let's get down to business. You know that I don't play. Let's get down to business. I thought I saw it in your eyes. I was so wrong, I was so blind. It's the way you look at me. It's the way skin, sunlight kissing again, whispered secrets in trees, nature's song sets me free. Mountains tall touching sky, birds in flight soaring high, river's voice speaks to me, nature's heartbeat and me. Heartbeat of nature's so true, every pulse feels brand new. In the wild I found you, in the tree sky so blue. Leaves are dancing in air, moonlight's gentle stare, stars are singing the night, nature's love burning bright. Heartbeat of nature's so true, every pulse feels brand new. In the wild I found you, in the tree sky so blue. Listen close, hear the sound, life is all around. In each breath love I found, nature's heartbeat profound. Heartbeat of nature so true, every pulse feels brand new. In the wild I found you, in the tree sky so blue. Heartbeat of nature so true, every pulse feels brand new.
We came here today for marsh harriers, and we've actually ended up seeing lots and lots and lots of birds, including lots of coots that Archie's managed to get shots of, tufted ducks and great crested grebes. And although the light's just starting to drop now, as we hit 10 to 4, we're just coming up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's there's still so much wildlife out. We're going to head over to Grey Lake in a moment and see if we can see, what was the bird, Archie, we're hoping to see at Grey Lake? We're hoping to see the merlin. We might not, but we'll give it a try. But it's just been so beautiful and peaceful here today. Really enjoyed it. And it's all these shots that are not only really wonderful to see my son taking, but they provide so much inspiration for my own artwork. So I hope you enjoy them. I'll do a little run of them at the end of the video. Thanks, bye-bye.